Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to allow a group owner to ban users on Telegram web using your PC, following the latest update. Whether you're managing a busy community or just want to keep your group safe, this feature gives you direct control over who stays and who goes. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the group you want to manage. Next, find and open the group where you are the owner. You'll see your group's chat window. At the top of the chat, click on the group's name. This will bring up the group's profile and settings panel. Now, look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, next to the group's name or in the group info panel. Click on it to enter the editing mode for your group. Inside the editing menu, you'll see several options. Find and select administrators. This section lists all the admins and their permissions. Since you are the owner, your name will appear at the top or marked as owner. Click on your name or the owner label to access your specific permissions. Here, you'll see a list of actions you can enable or disable for yourself as the group owner. Look for the Ban Users option. This setting controls whether you, as the owner, can remove or ban users from your group. Enable the Ban Users permission by clicking the toggle or checkbox next to it. After enabling this option, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. This ensures your new permission settings are active, and you can start managing group bans immediately. That's it. You've now allowed the group owner to ban users directly from Telegram web on your PC. With this update, group management is more flexible and secure, giving you the tools you need to keep your community running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and updates on Telegram features. Thanks for watching and happy group managing.